Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use summary formulas in Salesforce reports. This is an incredibly powerful feature that allows you to create custom calculations within your reports, giving you deeper insights into your data and helping you analyze performance metrics more effectively. Let's start by opening Salesforce and locating the app launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the search box that appears, type reports and select it from the results. This takes you to the reports homepage where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Now click on the New Report button. This opens up the report type selection screen where you'll choose what data you want to analyze. In the search bar, type Opportunities and you'll see the Opportunities report type appear. Select it, then click Start Report to begin building your custom report. Once your report canvas loads, you'll need to set up some filters to control what data appears. Click on the Filters tab on the left side of the screen. Here you want to locate close date from the list of available filters. Click on it and you'll see options for date ranges. Select All Time from the Range drop-down menu, which ensures you're capturing every opportunity regardless of when it closed. Click Apply to confirm this filter setting. Next, we need to organize our data by grouping it. Click on the Outline tab, which is where you control how your report is structured. Look for the Group Rows drop-down menu and select Account Name from the available fields. This groups all your opportunities by their associated accounts, making it easier to see which accounts are generating the most revenue. Now let's add a summary calculation. Find the amount column in your report, click the drop-down arrow next to it, and hover over the Summarize option from the menu that appears. Select Sum. This adds up all the opportunity amounts within each account group, giving you a total value per account. Here's where the real power comes in. Click on the Columns panel drop-down and select Add Summary Formula column. This is what allows you to create custom calculations based on your report data. A configuration panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In the column name field, type amount% to clearly identify what this column represents. This formula will calculate what percentage each account's opportunities represent of your total opportunity value. For the Format drop-down, select %summary since we're calculating percentages. Then set decimal places to 1 inch to keep your percentages clean and easy to read without too much precision cluttering the view. Now for the actual formula, in the Formula Editor box, carefully enter this formula. Amount : sum space / parent gropval open parenthesis amount : sum space grand _ summary close parenthesis. This formula takes each account's sum of opportunity amounts and divides it by the grand total of all opportunities, giving you the percentage each account contributes. Under the Display section, select Selected Groups. This controls where your formula column appears in the report structure, ensuring it shows up in the right context within your group data. Before applying the formula, click Validate to make sure Salesforce recognizes your formula syntax and that there are no errors. If validation is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now click Apply to add this summary formula column to your report. Finally, let's save your work. Click Save and Run at the top of the screen. A dialog box will appear asking for a report name. Type Opportunity Amount % by account so you can easily identify this report later. Select the folder where you want to store this report, then click Save to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Salesforce report with a custom summary formula that calculates the percentage contribution of each account to your total opportunity pipeline. This type of analysis is invaluable for identifying your most valuable accounts and understanding where your revenue is concentrated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.